Hello everyone, I'm here once again for this grammar topic today, that is articles. Articles, that topic is included in all the standards. So, we are just introducing here how many articles are included in English grammar. So, here you see three articles are here: a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles, while the is called a definite article. What is an article and how we use these? Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective, you can say. So, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. Article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. A, an, and the. These used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So you can say to specify something, some person, some place, you can use the, there. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. So now we talk about the uses of these articles. We use a, an, or the before nouns that we want to introduce. As I told you earlier, nouns, that is also a reminder to you, nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things. So, a or an, a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, you will use a. An before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, you will use an. Here you see, if we talk about a person, so a person, a place, a thing will be called the same thing which I just told you. A is used before beginning with a consonant sound. You can say a boy, boy. So this word boy begins with the sound of a consonant. So we will use a there, a bird. And before a singular noun beginning, again the same thing is here. Singular noun beginning, a book, a school, a dog. And that is the third one is an exceptional rule. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound, if you are just watching that any word is here begins with any vowel, but it doesn't sound as vowel, it sounds like a consonant. For example, a European, this word European starts with E. E is also included in vowels, A, E, I, O, U, you know it very well. But a European, this word sounds as the consonant. So here we use a. Some words start with the vowel letter but begin with the consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. So words start with a vowel letter. The same thing which I just told you. A university. U. That is also a vowel, but it sounds like a consonant. A uniform. A 1 rupee note. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. Girl. This word begins with the sound of a consonant. A clock. This too. A lamp. This too. Now the use of an. Before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an idiot. This word idiot begins with I, and same as when we pronounce this word, we just see that a vowel sound is here in initial state. So N will be used. An apple. We can't say a apple. We say an apple. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded like H. For example, an honor. Honor word begins with H, but it will not be called honor. If you will pronounce like that, it would be wrong pronunciation. So it is pronounced honor, and whenever we are just pronouncing it honor, then the vowel sound is here in beginning. So we will use an here, not a. An R, the same thing is here. That will not be called an hour. A hour. Both of the things would be wrong. An honest man. Honest, that would be wrong to pronounce. An honest man. So pronunciation, that is O sound you see here. We use an before words that begin with a vowel. The same thing just we did. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An orange we say. An umbrella we say. An eye we say. And an will be used here because these all words start with the sound of a vowel. These used before unique objects. Whenever you see, you talk about the sun, the earth, the sky, the moon, those objects which are unique. With those objects, you will use the there. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. If you say Sahara, that is the name of a desert. The Ganga, the Sahara, the Pacific. Before the names of the books, we use the. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. So here you see, with the names of the famous books, you will use the there. Before the superlative degree, for example, if you are talking that she is the best girl of the class, best is the superlative degree here. So before superlative degree, you will use article the. Before musical instruments, when you talk about any musical instrument, the flute, the violin, the harmonium, the congo, then you will use the there. Before an adjective to denote a whole class. For example, if I am saying he is an old man, here old man, but this is used for an individual only. So here we are using an with old because old word starts with the sound of vowel. But whenever I'm just saying that we should respect the old, so here the old is not just indicating to any individual. The old is just denoting the whole class of all the elders. If I'm saying Mukesh Ambani is a rich person, so here with rich I'm using a. But if I'm saying the rich exploit the poor, here with both of these words rich and poor I'm just using the there. But why the? Because the rich exploit the poor, that means the whole class of the rich exploit the whole class of poor. Some words start with the vowel letter but begin with the consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. Some words start with the vowel letter. The same thing which I just told you. A university. U. That is also a vowel, but it sounds like a consonant. A uniform. A 1 rupee note. Now we are talking about omission of articles. Those were the rules whenever we will use these three articles a, an, and the. But sometimes we will not use these articles, not of any of these. So you can say that at that time, whenever you are not using any article, you will say that zero article will be here. You can say it. So before the names of relations, you can't use any article. Before, if you are talking about the father, no, the father, no, not at all. Uncle, sister, before the relations, you can't use any article. Before the names of material, if you are talking about gold, silver, diamond, brass, then you can't use any article there. Before proper nouns, if you are just having any person's name, any place name particularly, then you can't use any article there. You can't say the Priya is a good girl, a Priya is a good girl. You can't say it. Before abstract noun, all the feelings you can say, all the virtues, honesty, wisdom, truth. You can't use any article here with these abstract nouns. Before languages such as Tamil, Hindi, English. If you are using any article before language, then it denotes all the citizens of that country. Suppose if I'm just saying the English, so the English just denote all the Englishmen here. So before the languages, whenever you are just using these words Tamil, Hindi, English as the language, then you can't use any article here. Before certain phrases, if you are talking about that at noon, by train, on food, so with these certain phrases you can't use any article. So that's all about the articles. You have to be much concentrative about using these articles a, an, and the. Hope that you all were getting very well. Thank you so much for watching this video.